Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing the customer sales by date report found in the customer section of Communique for Marketplaces. My name is Tom and I'll be your presenter for this video. Communique for Marketplaces is an enterprise-level cloud reporting platform designed for e-commerce merchants just like you. Communique features over 220 standard reports, dashboards, and utilities, along with many other capabilities for marketplace reporting. It is remarkably intuitive and easy to use. In no time, you'll be running reports just like a pro. The Customer Sales by Date report is a specialized customer relationship management report. The Customer Sales by Date report displays a list of customer orders for the period selected and the filters applied. The report includes a variety of sales metrics like order and unit sales, product sales, revenue, cost of goods sold, gross margins, and more. Additionally, there are grand totals for each of the data points located in the report footer so you can view the report sales summary. This is one of the most requested reports. This report will assist in your understanding of your customer sales by illuminating its many components. Let's get started with a customer sales by date presentation for marketplace reporting. Go to the Customers menu located in the ribbon bar. Select the Sales by Date report. Click the right mouse button anywhere within the report and select Search from the pop-up menu. Let's discuss the available filters for this report. The date range option located upper left of the data filters is set to 30 days by default. This date range will retrieve and display customer sales for the last 30 days. You can select any data range you like using the selectors or manually adjust the starting and ending dates to whatever range you require. In the lower left of the data filters are the date options which determine which date type is used for selecting sales data. The order date is selected by default. The order date is the preferred date when generating customer reports. Other date options are available in case you find those dates useful. The next set of filters we'll review are the filter options found in the upper right of the data filters. Let's look at each of these filters and discuss their significance when filtering the customer sales by date report. The next option is Display Items. Explained simply, when this option is enabled, you can select a customer and view their items purchased during the period selected and filters applied. The next filter option we'll review is a Use Billing Address instead. By default, the report uses the Ship To state and country when filtering by countries or states. Selecting this option changes the filtering to Billing State and Country. The next set of filters is the Order Status options. The default status is Shipped and Pending. You can include canceled orders depending on your objective. The data filters for this report include additional filters located across the bottom. You can filter by countries, customers, fulfillments, groups, marketplaces, orders, pay methods, referrals, ship service, states, and warehouses. Now that we've explained the filter options and what they signify for this report, let's add some filters so we can review results for the Customer Sales by Date report. Click on the Marketplaces Filter tab. You will see various marketplaces listed in the available list. Since you cannot market to Amazon or Walmart customers, we'll limit the list to those you can. From the available list, select the BigCommerce, eBay, Manual Orders, and Tech Solutions marketplaces and add it to the selected list. These market selections will limit report results to customers with sales in those marketplaces. Click the Apply button to apply the filters for the Customer Sales by Date report. As you can see, there are 56 customer sales displayed for this report. Let's review the data columns for this report so we can explain how the data is organized and which each of the data points represent. The ID and customer columns provide general information about the customer. By default, the customer column is sorted ascending, so buyers are collated in alphabetical order. You can select any single column or a series of columns for sorting. Multi-column sorting is supported, and any column can be sorted ascending or descending. The next set of columns are order number, ID, date, and status, are all order-specific data which identifies a specific order. The order number column is a numeric order number assigned to the customer order. The order ID column is an alphanumeric ID assigned to the customer order by the marketplace. The order date column is the date the order was placed by the customer. The status column is the current order status. The order status can be shipped, pending, or canceled. The remaining columns are totals for each data point based on the period selected and filters applied. The units column represents the total number of units purchased for the order. The sales column represents total product sales for the order. Product sales represents the price per unit multiplied by the units sold. The taxes column represents the total sales tax collected from customers for their purchases. The shipping column represents the shipping amount collected from customers to ship their orders. The discounts and coupons column represents the promotions and incentives applied to orders. The revenue column represents the total amount charged to the customer for the order. The COGS column is the total cost of goods sold for the order. The cost of goods is the cost per unit multiplied by units sold. The ship cost column represents the total cost paid by the merchant to shipping services for customer orders. The fees column represents the amount paid for marketplace sales and payment processing. The gross margin column represents the net amount or sales profit after revenue is tallied and costs are subtracted, including sales tax. The days column is the number of days since last sale. The days represent the number of days between the day and the last date. The report footer contains the grand totals and averages of each column for all customers displayed in this report. Here's a tech tip. All reports have additional display options or features which can be toggled on for use with a report. Let me show you how to easily toggle on these options and features. Go to the Configure section located at the top right of the ribbon bar and click on the Display button. Select the Marketplace and State Column options found in the Column Options section. Go to the Report Settings section and select the Show Group By box option. Once these options have been selected, click the OK button to apply the changes and return to the report. Now that we've explained how this report works, let's show you a feature I believe you'll find very useful. Recall the Show Group By box option we enabled for this report. Look at the top left of the report right above the column headers. You will see an area with the text. Drag a column header here to group by that column. Grab the Marketplace column with your mouse and drag it to the Group By box. You will instantly see the report is transformed from the Customer Sales by Date report to the Customer Sales by Date report grouped by Marketplace. Each group Marketplace has subtotals which represents the sales amounts and quantities for all customer sales assigned to the Marketplace group. Click on the Marketplace Big Commerce group and click it open. Once open, all customer sales assigned to the group are visible. You can view the individual details of all orders within the Marketplace group along with the subtotals found in the subfooter of the group. The grand totals for the report are still available at the bottom of the report in the report footer area. Now we're going to show you something brand new. Grab the State column with your mouse and drag it to the Group By box and drop it next to the Marketplace column. A list of states grouped by Marketplace are now visible. Essentially, we've grouped customer sales by Marketplace and state. Click on the Florida group and open it. The two customer orders placed on the Big Commerce Marketplace from Florida are now visible. Do the same for Michigan. The two customer orders placed on the Big Commerce Marketplace from Michigan are now visible. I think you get the idea how this works. We've demonstrated how to easily group two columns, transform the report into another dimension for your customer analytics and business intelligence. Theoretically, there's no limit to the number of columns you can group. However, there is a practical limit which varies by report. See how easy it is to glean valuable business intelligence from your Customer Sales by Date report using Communicate for Marketplaces. All customer reports have a similar layout to the Customer Sales by Date report. You can use the lessons learned with this presentation for those reports. This concludes our presentation of the Customer Sales by Date report found in the Customer section of Communicate for Marketplaces. In summary, the Customer Sales by Date report is a specialized customer relationship management report. This report is designed to display customer sales for the period specified and filters applied. The report provides advanced filtering capabilities to slice and dice customers for marketing and segmentation purposes. It is also a very effective report for customer sales analysis, data mining, and business intelligence. The Display Items option allows you to easily drill down to view customer purchases. Reports are crucial for any business, especially yours. Marketplace Reporting provides you with better reports so you can have better results for your business. You can contact us at sales@marketplacereporting.com to learn more about Marketplace Reporting and how we can help. You can join the conversation at marketplacereporting.com/blog. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.